Welcome to our channel. In the last sessions, we discussed how to convert the given logical expression into disjunctive normal form and consecutive normal form. Now, in this session, we are moving to conversion of the logical expressions into principal disjunctive normal form. There are two ways to convert the expression. The first one is without using truth table, simply adding the missing literal, and the next approach is by using truth table. Now in this session, first we will move without using truth table. Consider the first example, A and negation B or B and negation C. Now the given expression is already in disjunctive normal form. But what is the principal disjunctive normal form? Each product term contains all the literals. Suppose in A and negation B, the literal C is missing. In this, the literal A is missing. So if any missing literal is there, simply add the missing literal like this. Okay? Any missing literal is there for this product, we are adding the missing literal and then apply the distributive law. So see this one, how to apply? A and negation B and C, or A and negation B and negation C. Obviously, what is this one? All are end operations. So A and negation B and C, or A and negation B and negation C. So for that we are adding the missing literal C, or. For B and negation C, use the same procedure. B and negation C end with A or negation A, whatever the missing literal. Now what happened for this? B and negation C end A, or B and negation C and negation A. Here I will write down here neg A. Order is changed, no problem. Why? These conjunctives are disjunctive follows commutative law. So A and B and negation C, or negation A and B and negation C. Now observe, this is sum of products. Each product term contains all the literals. Don't confuse. If it is in DNF, directly we are writing the PDNF. How? Here what is the expression? A and negation B. What is the missing literal? C. For that A and negation B, add one normal form, one complement form. Similarly, B and negation C, the missing literal is A. Add one normal form, one complement form. Automatically it is converted into PDNF. Clear? Now move to the second example. Second one is P implies Q and negation Q or negation P. Now how do you write? P implies, so implication negation P or Q. Now for this entire internally again P implies Q. So negation P or Q and negation of De Morgan's law apply Q and P. Automatically it becomes Q and P. Okay. Now apply the distributive over addition. As usual, negation P or what we need? I need a product term inside. So negation P and Q and P, or Q and P. This is the way. Simple thing. Which one you need to take? It is very clear. I need end product inside or product outside. That is the reason. This is A, this is B, and this is C. A and C or B and C, like this. Now, negation P or negation P and Q and P. What is negation P and P? Negation P and P is false. False and Q. False and anything, that is false. From this we are getting false. Or Q and P. Q and Q is Q and P. So Q and P. So finally what you are getting? Negation P or P and Q. This is. Now check if it is in DNF or not. Yes, this is the product term. Even single letter is also product term. Now to convert into PDNF, what we are doing? Negation P and Q or negation P and negation Q. I directly write. How do you write? For this, negation P and Q or negation Q. Negation P and Q or negation P and negation Q or P and Q. Now observe here product. Each product term contains all the literals. Each product term contains all the literals. Clear? This is my second example, PDNF. Now move to the third one. So if you understand which one is placed inside the bracket end or R, based on that apply the distributive law. Remaining procedure is very easy. Negation P or negation Q implies P by implies Q. First apply the implication law. Negation of this one. Negation of negation P or negation Q or P by implies Q. I think you got it. So this entire term is some P. This entire term is Q. P implies Q means negation P or Q. Now again in this, the negation is moved inside P and Q or P by implies Q. What is the formula for P double implies Q? P and Q or negation P and negation Q. This is the equivalent formula for P by implies Q. Now P implies Q. P and negation Q or negation P and negation of negation Q. Now observe P and Q or P and negation Q or negation P and negation Q, sum of products. So by this we are converting the given logical expressions into principal disjunctive normal form. If any missing literal is there, simply end the operation with the missing literal like this. Now in the next session we will discuss some more examples, but without adding this one. By using truth table, we are writing the Minterms. Based on the Minterms only, we are constructing the principal disjunctive normal form. Thank you.